Make a great choice today with the 2020 SQ7. The Audi SQ7 is an SUV with plenty to rave about. Sleek interior styling is an addition to the sporty seats, superior technology options, and great volume of interior space. Updated exterior features provide the unique Audi look that everyone looks for. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: turbocharged, panoramic roof, heated mirrors, all-wheel drive, aluminum wheels, rear spoiler, power liftgate, brake assist, daytime running lights, privacy glass. If affordable style and reliability are what you're looking for, this vehicle couldn't be more perfect. Drive it today.